Congratulations, cloud gurus! You've reached a milestone! Now, some people might have felt like it was a bit too slow or detailed for the setup stuff that we've just done, but that was the riskiest part of what we do in this course, so I wanted to make sure that you got through it safely. But now that we're through that setup, the world is open to you, and you don't have to worry that what you might do could rack up huge charges. But now we're going to start going a little faster. I'm going to push you to do more. I'll still support you, of course, but you're learning to walk, so you need to take a few steps on your own. That means you'll probably fall down a few times, and that's okay too. You get back up and apply what you just learned. If I kept spoon-feeding you everything, you would never really learn properly. I need to teach you to fish, not just give you fish. So looking back at the setup, we've gone through a number of real-world scenarios. How to set up billing, how to grant access to other accounts, stuff like that. And we've already been exposed to some services in Google Cloud. But another really important thing is that we've taken a look at how data flows through systems. And that's something that you really need to keep in mind as we keep going. Now, as we do keep going, I want you to remember that the goal here is to learn and not to watch videos. So that means that while I lead you through certain things, you should also look for opportunities to explore. Go off script. It's okay. If you mess stuff up or it doesn't work how you expected it to, that can actually be a really great learning experience. Try to figure out how things went wrong and how you might avoid that in the future. Try to figure out why it works the way it does. Now, one of the really awesome tools that you have to help you explore is projects. In the Amazon Web Services world, it's really painful to get this level of isolation. You have to create a new account each time you want that. And managing and organizing AWS accounts can be a real pain. So embrace the tool that Google gives you. Projects are awesome. If you want to try something out, you can make a project, do some stuff, and then delete the project. You have excellent isolation in the project, and it's really easy to clean things up as long as you keep them separated. Now, one thing that I will point out is that there are 2 quotas to be aware of. Each user account has a quota for how many projects you can own, and your trial billing account has a separate quota for how many projects can be linked to it. So if you hit an error when you're creating projects or linking them to billing, take a look and see if you've just hit that particular limit. Oh, and a little tip is that Google automatically creates a project for your administrator account and links it to your trial billing account. So that can be a good one for you to either delete or unlink so that you can link other projects to that billing account. Just make sure though that you don't accidentally delete or unlink the billing export project. You need to keep that one. Now, as we move through the course, make sure that you're thinking about the data flows that are happening in all of the labs and surrounding the things that we talk about in our theory lectures. That'll really help you learn things properly so that you can use them effectively in the real world and demonstrate what you know in the exam. Well, all right, if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, please feel free to join me in the next lecture. Thank you.